Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam crystal home decor. So what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a pedestal tea light holder, you're going to need an asymmetrical candle holder, a round fishbowl shaped candle holder. You're going to need some of the little mini silver spoons from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using crushed glass on this project. I did pick up the crushed glass at Michael's. I didn't purchase it online, so unfortunately I do not have a link for that product for online. You can just go into a Michael's location in your area and you should be able to find the crushed glass there. Now I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue to assemble the project, but if you would like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I use any additional items, I will link those in the description box for you below. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this glam crystal home decor turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys, another super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.